Hey, what's up? Welcome to Geekbang. Today, let's take a look at the Redmi 6 Pro. Just like other Redmi series, the package is compact and delicate. On the package, you can see some information like 5.84-inch 19:9 Full HD full screen display, 4000 mAh battery, and the AI dual back camera. Without further ado, let's just unbox it. That's the phone. Let's just put it aside first. We see a simple case, manual. Interesting, we see it comes with the dual SIM card plus SD card tray. It's awesome. A micro USB cable and a charger. It doesn't support quick charge. What else you can expect in this price range, right? My first impression about the Redmi 6 Pro is it feels not too big, so perfect for one hand, and I loved it. Now let's turn on. This is the second phone of Xiaomi that features the notch design. Maybe you are not a big fan of it, but I gotta say the screen feels awesome because it has a larger screen to body ratio. The notch is much narrower than Xiaomi 8. Because it doesn't support infrared face unlock. I don't want that anyway. Inside the notch, it has an earpiece, front camera, and the proximity sensor. Move to the back. How about it comparing to the Redmi Note 5 and the Xiaomi 6X? Basically have the same design language. Looks not too shabby. On the top, luckily we see the 3.5mm headphone jack, the noise cancelling mic, and the infrared bar like Mi 6X and the Note 5. On the right side, we got power key and the volume key. They got great tactile feedback, and there is a SIM card slot. Comes with the dual SIM card plus SD card tray design as shown in the manual. And lastly is the bottom. The micro USB is in the middle and the speaker and the mic lie inside symmetrically. So which one is the speaker? Let's just tear it down. Now we can see clear the right side is the speaker and the left is the mic. Now I put it back. Finally, let's peel off the film and get inside the system. The Redmi 6 Pro is supported with the MIUI 10 and I really like the system. I already did a video about the MIUI 10 system. If you're curious about that, you can just check it out. Link in the description. The impression on the screen is crystal clear. I'm surprised that it comes with such a high quality display in such a small compact body. These are the specs here. The Android OS is 8.1.0 and the chipset is Snapdragon 625H. For Redmi 6 Pro, it has 5 colors and 3 variants, which are 3GB plus 32, 4GB plus 32, and 4GB plus 62 of ROM. For more, you can check out geekbuying.com, which I leave links in the description. To sum up, there are 3 highlights about the Redmi 6 Pro. First is the FHD display screen size, perfect for one hand. Second is the 4000 mAh battery that can last easily for 1 or 2 days. Lastly is about the 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI dual camera. It has larger pixel size as well.